Tired of waking up every morning, dreading the same 9-to-5 grind? Imagine breaking free. Imagine turning your side hustle, your passion, your talent, your hidden skill, into the main hustle. Imagine living life on your terms, earning what you deserve, and finally chasing freedom instead of deadlines. This isn't a dream, it's possible, and in this video, we'll show you the top side hustles that could completely transform your financial future. The ones that could set you free from the daily grind forever. Number 1. Freelance writing and content creation. Writing isn't just words on a page, it's power. The internet never sleeps, and companies everywhere are desperate for fresh content. Blogs, social media posts, websites, emails. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are bridges connecting writers to clients ready to pay top dollar for talent. Depending on your expertise, freelance writers earn anywhere from $25 to $150 per hour. But here's the secret: specialize. Focus on tech, health, or finance, and watch your rate soar. One article could be the start of a career that doesn't just pay the bills, it changes your life. Number 2. Online tutoring and teaching. Remember that subject you were great at in school? Or a skill you love, like playing an instrument or speaking a foreign language? There's someone out there willing to pay for that knowledge. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and Coursera let you turn your skills into cash. Tutors earn $20 to $80 per hour, sometimes more for advanced subjects. Better yet, you can create online courses once and sell them repeatedly, generating passive income while you sleep. Teaching isn't just helping others, it's building your financial future. Number 3. E-commerce and drop shipping. E-commerce has exploded, and you don't even need a warehouse to start. Drop shipping lets you sell products online while suppliers handle the stock. Shopify and WooCommerce make it simple. Success? Some earn $11,000 to $50,000 per month. But it's not magic. You need trending products, smart marketing, and dedication. The right niche can turn your laptop into a money-making machine, giving you freedom from the office cubicle forever. Number 4. Graphic design and digital art. If you see the world in colors, lines, and shapes, your creativity can pay off big. Businesses crave visuals, branding, marketing, social media posts. Platforms like 99 Designs, Dribbble, and Behance connect designers with clients who will pay for talent. Freelance designers can earn $30 to $150 per hour. But don't stop there. Sell templates, illustrations, and fonts on Etsy or Creative Market. Your art isn't just beautiful, it's valuable. Number 5. Real estate investing. Want a side hustle that generates real passive income? Real estate remains one of the strongest wealth-building tools. Rental properties can earn thousands monthly. Platforms like Roofstock and Fundrise make investing accessible even with lower starting capital. According to the National Association of Realtors, a single-family rental can bring in about $1,500 per month. The right properties in the right areas could replace your full-time job while building long-term wealth. Number 6. Podcasting and YouTube. The digital stage is yours. Podcasts and YouTube channels are no longer hobbies, they're careers. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Top YouTubers earn millions, but even smaller channels can bring $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. Podcasting earns through listener support and premium content. Consistency, creativity, and promotion are key. Your voice, your story, your unique content can be your ticket to financial freedom. Number 7. Stock photography and videography. If you see the world through a lens, your photos and videos could earn for years. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images let you sell digital content repeatedly. The best contributors earn thousands monthly. Focus on high-quality, in-demand content, use smart keywords, and your creative eye can turn into a passive income goldmine. Number 8. Freelance web development and programming. Tech is everywhere, and skilled web developers and programmers are in constant demand. Platforms like TopTal, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you to high-paying clients. Freelance developers earn $60 to $100 per hour, with mobile app development or cybersecurity commanding even higher rates. Build a portfolio, take on projects, and watch your side hustle grow into a career that the world cannot ignore. Number 9. Virtual assistants. Businesses need help, but not always in person. Virtual assistants manage emails, schedules, and social media from home. Platforms like Belay, Zirtual, and Upwork match assistants with clients. Rates are $15 to $30 per hour, and specialized services, like bookkeeping or social media management, can command even more. Loyal clients, long-term contracts, and remote work? That's a side hustle that works while you live life. Number 10. Fitness training and coaching. Health isn't just personal, it's profitable. Personal trainers, yoga instructors, and wellness coaches help people transform physically and mentally. Tools like Trainerize, My PT Hub, and Fitbit Coach let you manage clients online. Median pay is around $44,390 per year, but building a loyal base and offering personal programs can dramatically increase income. You help others live better and get paid well doing it. Number 11. Pet services. Pets need care, and owners will pay. Dog walking, pet sitting, grooming, all are profitable. Rover, Wag, and Care.com connect pet lovers with clients. Top dog walkers can earn $1,000 per month or more. Exceptional care and reputation grow repeat business, making this hobby a real career opportunity. Number 12. Handmade crafts and products. Crafting isn't just fun, it can pay. Handmade jewelry, clothing, or home decor can sell globally via Etsy, Artfire, or Handmade Amazon. Top sellers earn $3,000 plus per year, some much more. Unique, high-quality products and clever marketing can turn your hobby into a thriving business. Number 13. Social media management. Brands need attention online. Social media managers create posts, engage followers, and analyze results. Glassdoor reports $50,000 to $70,000 per year, while freelancers charge $50 to $100 per hour. Successful campaigns build portfolios, attract clients, and turn your social media savvy into a full-time career. The world has changed. The gig economy has opened doors once locked. Side hustles can supplement income or completely replace your 9 to 5. With focus, dedication, and smart choices, you can achieve financial independence. You can live freely. You can chase dreams. You can earn without sacrificing life. It's time to stop dreaming and start building your freedom. Your side hustle isn't a hobby, it's the beginning of your future.